In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price of your gig on Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update your pricing confidently without missing anything important. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr website from the results. If you're already on Fiverr.com, that works too. Make sure you're signed in to your seller account so you can access your dashboard and gig settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look for the top navigation and click My Business. From the drop-down that appears, choose Gigs. This takes you to your Manage Gigs page, where all your active, paused, and draft gigs are listed. Find the gig whose price you want to change. On the right side of that gigs row, click the small drop-down icon. Sometimes it looks like a down arrow or 3 dots, and select Edit. This opens the gig editor, where you can adjust all details related to your listing. Inside the editor, navigate to the Pricing tab. This is where you'll see your basic, standard, and premium packages if you use 3-tier pricing. Here, you can change the price of each package. As you update the numbers, make sure your package descriptions match the new price level. Clarify deliverables, word counts, revisions, and delivery time so buyers understand the value. If you offer gig extras, review those as well to ensure they're priced appropriately and don't conflict with the package scope. A couple of quick tips while you're here. Keep pricing consistent across packages so each tier feels like a clear upgrade. Check any category-specific minimums or rules, and consider how delivery time and revisions affect your workload so your price accurately reflects the effort. Small, strategic changes often perform better than drastic jumps. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Save. Give it a moment for Fiverr to process the changes. After saving, your new prices apply to future orders. Existing orders remain under their original terms. If anything doesn't look right, you can come back to the Pricing tab and fine-tune it again. That's it. Open Fiverr, go to My Business, select Gigs, edit the specific gig, switch to the Pricing tab, update your package prices, and save. With these steps and a bit of thoughtful alignment between price and scope, you'll keep your gig competitive and clear for buyers. Thanks for watching, and good luck refining your gig pricing.